Hi, once again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about tires. I love showing in my videos how the tire compresses when they are running over rocks. But the original tire is not performing well in this aspect. It is not because they are bad tires. It is because they are what we called low-profile tires. Low-profile tires look sporty. They behave better in fast corners because they have lesser roll. I did a bit of research and settled for the Injora King Trekker. I got the 1.55-inch size tire. The reason I went with the 1.55 is because I wanted a thick sidewall tire, mainly to display the low pressure compression when the tire is trying to grip onto something. First off, it gives a realistic and dramatic look. Second, it actually grips better. The Injora King Trekker proves to be an excellent tire. The tread wall provides extra grip. The rubbers are soft and grippy, makes it an excellent tire for climbing. I was happy with what I got, but then there is a flaw to it. The thick sidewall does not hold on to side angle pressure. The wall is so tall it tends to fold and has a tendency to fall off at side angle. The top-heavy side of our rig is not helping either. I began to watch my own video and study how the tire fails. I need to find a solution to this. I need a tire that gives the look of a low-pressure compression and also able to handle side load angle. I came out with a plan to maintain the compression and at the same time dramatically improve side angle load. I found a sturdy foam rubber around 5 mm in thickness. Wrap it to my bead locker rim. Wrap and stick mine with a wire tape. This will keep it in place. I kept the original Injora foam inside. The thin rubber foam is sturdy. It sits where the beadlock rim contact with the tire and increases the contact point that reinforce the side angle load. Being thin, it will still provide the compression. It also helps slightly in unsprung weight. I only add the reinforcement to my rear tire. I find most failure occurred from the rear. With the hard rubber foam in place, I do lose a tiny bit of compression, but I gain a lot of side angle loan sturdiness. As you can see, comparing the rear and front tire without the rubber reinforcement. I will take the opportunity here to compare the Injora King Trekker to the original tire, so you can decide for yourself if this is a good option. The Injora is marginally larger than the stock tire. The width is in between the two stock tire. But the Injora is much softer and grips much better. The tread pattern of the King Trekker is also more aggressive, wider tread that provides better grip at crawling speed. The sidewall are also treaded to help in climbing, which proves to be very useful. Now let's try out the reinforced Injora tires. I will push the side load angle until it fails. I find with the foam rubber attached, the rear tires handle side load pressure so much better. The Injoras are impressive in the gripping department. With the rubber foam inside, I still get the dramatic tire compression that I wanted. And as you can also see from these videos, the failure usually occurs at the rear tires. Again and again I push the side load. I can see it is a big improvement and worth upgrading. The Injora held the side load steadily. I thought the car was going to tip over, but it held on. The Injora King Trekker, with the rubber foam upgrades, can handle even greater angle of attack. The rear holds its composure so well that you can get away in many steep angle climb. The video testify if the King Trekker is any good with climb. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.